Welcome to Funny Bunny Story Time. Today we are going to read a story from the Adventures in Nature magazine from Peppa Pig. Let's read. Woodland Club. Peppa learns how to build a shelter in the wild. Peppa and her friends are at Woodland Club. Mr. Wolf says he will teach them about living in the woods. Mr. Wolf tells the children to imagine being in the woods when it rains. He draws a shelter which is like a little house. Mr. Wolf has the children gather sticks and other materials from the woods to make their own shelter. The shelter looks complete. Daddy Pig says he will go inside first to test it out. Daddy Pig sits in the shelter while Mr. Wolf pours water on it. The water goes through the roof and gets Daddy Pig wet. Mr. Wolf wants to see if the shelter is safe from wind. He huffs and puffs and easily blows the shelter down. The children use bigger sticks to build the shelter this time, and they cover it with tiny sticks and leaves to keep the water out. Suddenly, it starts to rain. Peppa and her friends stay dry inside their shelter. What a fun outdoor activity! The end. Thank you.